Ladonia Randall, Computer Applications and Communications. Next, let's reload that PC underscore info.html file and see what we have. So now we have the placement of the first information box right here. Now we're going to place our next two boxes. Okay, so let's go to our PC underscore CSS dot info file. Let me make this font a little larger for you all. And then we're going to add some style rules to the second box. And that is div hashtag info2 left squiggly display colon block semicolon. Then we have our top 185 pixels semicolon, and then left colon 42% semicolon. Then in our third one we have div info3 left squig display block semicolon top colon 135 pixels and our left 75% squig close off. Saving it, and let's open the PC underscore info HTML file. And now we have our second box and our third box. Okay, now to place our next three boxes. This is on page, I forgot those previous two boxes we entered. That was from page 234 and 235. On page 236, let me see, we have several more boxes, don't we? Okay, so our fourth information box, div info, div hashtag info 4, left squig display, block, semicolon, top, 510 pixels, and our left is at what? Is that 8%? Semicolon, close it off. Then our fifth one, we have div hashtag info 5, semicolon, display, colon, block, semicolon, top, 800 pixels. Our left is at 3%. Then our next one, we have div info 6, left squig, display, block, top, 600, and our left is at 48%. Close it off. Save it. Run our PC underscore info. I can double click in. All right, there we have two more, or three more, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now our last two boxes, let's get those entered. This is on page 238 of our textbook. Let's close this. Let's do div. I think we got the hang of this now, huh? 7, left squig, display, block, top, oops, got that 1,000 picks, and left at 68%. Close it off. Then our 8th infographic, we have div, hashtag info 8, left squig, display, block, semicolon, top, 110 picks. 1,100 picks, semicolon, left, 12%. And let's see. Now we need to scroll up before the main styles section and delete the style rule div info box. That's what it's telling us on step 3, because we no longer need to hide any information boxes. So we're going to save our changes, and let's look at our document. I can double click. There we go. All right. There's 7, and there's 7, the clock, and there's 8, the stretcher. Okay. On page 240, it discusses handling overflow. There's some values of the overflow property on page 241. There's some code on working with overflow. And then we are going to type our code into pc_info.css to apply the overflow property. So we're going to go to the main style section in our pc_info.css. Within the style rule in the main selector, we are going to insert the property overflow and some more text. So let's make that after. So that's going to be my line 18. So we have overflow, auto, semicolon, and then we have our position and our height and our width. Okay. So hopefully, let's see if we get a scroll bar on the right side of our document, of our web page. Okay. Yes, we do. You see here? Did you see it? There we go. We have a scroll bar. All right. We're looking like we're actually doing something now. There's some more information about clipping content. And then that concludes session 3.3. Now remember, there's some elements within our tutorial that aren't covered in this video. That's why it's necessary for you to have a textbook. So when the assignment asks you to do something, you have your textbook to refer to find the elements that need to be used.